welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching a 3-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities on the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the street property location, here's the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Room category 1. On the screen today, you can emphasize that view, amenities, facilities, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, it's required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. Stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property.